I remember when I tried this on, the waist on a hole was just, it just didn't fit very well. You have a goal and you're trying to like lose weight and all that. And so you want to hold on to stuff like this because you're like, hopefully I can fit back into it. This is so embarrassing, y'all. Look at that. Look at the amount of clothes and purses and bags and shoes. I just took these out a few days ago and they just didn't get put back after filming. My closet's falling apart a little bit, but it's not doing too bad. Hey y'all, Sarah here. Welcome back to another vlog. Now that fall is just around the corner, your girl has so much work ahead of me. We recently went on a vacation and I've since come back and I have gotten rid of a lot of stuff, but there's some stuff that I just had piled up here. Laundry got piled up there. It's all clean, mind you, because I'm not one of those people. Dirty clothes gets thrown in the dirty clothes. But I've got piles and piles of laundry just waiting to be folded and put away. Not to mention, fall is just around the corner and I have recently been doing some fall hauls. I've got some new purchases coming in for fall, but that means I have to have space to put all these things. I can see room in my closet for improvement for sure. I've been trying to go through and just get rid of what I don't need. Purging is always nice, but it's not easy. So I gotta go through, get rid of the stuff that I don't need. And I'm really good at that. I usually give things to my kids. The only problem with that is I sometimes see it's recirculating back in my, like circulating back into my closet at times if it gets washed and we forgot that I gave it to them and stuff like that. Yeah. Look what I have. Look what I found. This is currently a trend for 2021. Blazers are in, oversized blazers. Yeah, I'm gonna feature some of that in this video too. You guys can see some of the fall trends that I have that are trendy, but your girl's probably gonna have to get rid of it because it doesn't fit me. Are y'all like me at all? Like, you have a goal and you're trying to like lose weight and all that, and so you want to hold on to stuff like this because you're like, hopefully I can fit back into it, but it just feels like it's a never-ending thing. Anyways, I gotta get it out. It just feels like it's not gonna happen. Like, this is a size 8. I can't recall the last time I was a size 8. I've had 2 kids in the past 3.5 years that took me well out of the range of size 8, so that's gotta go. I don't know how far, because that's one of my favorite blazers. Love the color and shape and just the way it fit, but it can't stay in my closet anymore. It's taking up precious real estate. This is another thing that is super trendy. Like, obviously these have been trendy things for a long time, like big oversized like cardigan type things. I just don't know if I really love this one. I can't recall ever wear it because I'm just not a big fan of the embellishment. Let's give it a try. Closet clean out is gonna take forever. Not to mention, this I should really be getting rid of too. I had this in my closet, but it's like so big, and I was like, I'm gonna get rid of it, and here I am. I have it on today. Okay. Just a quick little mommy break. Now I wish for Supergirl to clean this all up real fast. Can she do that?
Yeah? But can you clean up your bedroom?
No, can you clean it up? You're Supergirl.
I don't recycle anything. I just help people.
Okay, so can you help me clean up my room? Anyways, you guys, so I tried on these pants. These are what I got. These are one of the pants that I got when I did my first Shein haul. Look how huge they are. What was I thinking? They are literally dragging on they're literally dragging on the ground. Not something I could wear unless I'm wearing like a huge, like what do you call it? Unless I'm wearing like some kind of like chunky heeled shoe, which I don't even have on hand, I don't think. But they just feel like they're good for taking pictures. They're just not good to wear out, at least not for me. I paired it with this turtleneck just for a second, just to see what it would look like. The shape on a hole that it's giving me, I'm just not about it. But the waist fits. I remember when I tried this on, the waist on a hole was just, it just didn't fit very well. But it fits now, so I don't know what to do with this one. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Just remind me of one of like the trendy fashion pieces that for like 2021 that you'll never really wear in real life. So I don't know, I thought this was wearable because when the model had it on Shein, like it looked like it was wearable. And it's not to say that it's not, maybe if you're a tall person, but I will be tripping all over myself in this one. So guys, that was a before and this is a after to show you how much those pants were kind of swallowing me whole. They just make you look and feel a lot bigger than you actually are. And like them, this pants, I also got this pants in like a 1XL. So it does fit a little bit bigger than typical. And for some reason or another, 2021, I had like a huge obsession with leopard print. Though this is like my favorite pair of shorts. And I probably still kind of do have a huge obsession with leopard print. But I noticed a lot of the leopard print I bought, I just didn't even wear them. So guys, this is a total of all the things that I took out of my closet. There's quite a bit here, but these ones I'm going to go give to my daughters. They can figure out if they want any of that. These ones on the floor are for donating, but I still have this giant pile of stuff to tackle. I did free up quite a bit of space. Look how many hangers I have available. How well did I do? Yeah, I think I took out all the loose hangers pretty much. But look how sparse things are in here. I feel like I do this several times a year, but I always wind up back at the same position. But that does happen if you do buy clothes throughout the seasons. I keep holding on to this top in hopes that I'll wear it too because I like the sleeves, but I haven't worn it, so I'm gonna get rid of that as well. It feels so good when you finally get rid of the stuff because like not only are you making room for the new stuff, but it's just like a weight lifted off your shoulder. You're getting rid of the old and making room for the new. I'm currently making supper. I've got some chicken that I'm frying here, and luckily I just tended to it because it almost burned. On the side I'm also heating up some baby food into some water. Y'all, guys, I've had the worst luck for today. So I went ahead and filmed a video for my family vlog channel, but then when I was done editing I didn't like it because the background door was open to the washroom, and there was like a plunger right there. Like, why does this happen? Why is it? It's been quite a few hours later. You guys saw me. I left off at dinner, which was so impromptu because of all the stuff that I had going on up here. I wasn't sure I was gonna get to be able to make supper, and everything has just been a little delayed because this little one has been like stuck to me like glue. I managed to get my video uploaded and posted for tonight on my other channel, so I was really happy about that. But this video, as you guys are watching this was supposed to be up tonight. I am really running behind, but I did manage to fold quite a bit in terms of like reorganizing this closet. I freed up a lot of space, and I'm also going through my drawers. So let me give you guys a quick little update. So I'm not sure what I showed you guys, but I do have a lot of freed up hangers. I just brought this pile of stuff in here that I just folded. I just don't want to put it in here because I want to go through my shelves, but this little man woke up, so that's a no-go for me, not right now. I did eliminate an entire basket from here, and I kind of went through and organized and folded some of the clothes, well, the clothes that I want to keep. I'm pretty sure I can go down even more when it comes to like purging. I'm creating a pile of clothes that I'm hanging right here, just for like picture purposes, but I'm gonna be purging them after. And the saga continues. I'm actually gonna give this little man a little bath right now. I just bathed my toddler, and it's just like, I just feel like I can't catch a break. I'm just like going. And but dinner was a success. Everything was really, really delicious. I was making that chicken from like scratch, and it was like a low sodium meal, and it turned out fantastic. It had lots of flavoring. Guys, don't sleep on like Italian seasoning as well as like lemon and pepper. No, especially the one with no sodium. It gives everything a lot of flavor. I also I had couscous with my serving. The kids had rice from yesterday. And the couscous, I added the lemon and pepper to the couscous. Yeah. And I added the lemon and pepper to the couscous too, and it was fantastic. Okay, time for you to go have a bath. So I just ran his bath, got his washcloth in there, and he's excited about this because he loves bath time. But look at him, he's so tired and he won't chill and just let me be. If he would just go to sleep, I'd be done this stuff. Okay, let's go. Zabby, say hi. Say hi. Say, I'm so fresh and so clean in my dinosaur pajamas. So clean. I don't know what it is with dinosaurs, but everything that's out there that's on sale for boys, it all just has like dinosaurs all over it. I have a package downstairs right now from Carter's, guys, and I'm pretty sure I have a few things in there that have dinosaurs. I'm trying not to go the generic route, so I didn't even do an overkill on it. Like, I was just like seriously, we can't keep doing this. So I have a bunch of stuff coming right now. I have like a haul from Torrid for my personal self, so be on the lookout if you guys are into the hauls. I've got a haul from Torrid and a haul from Shein, but I did pick up stuff from the kids from Carter's and Old Navy for those of you guys who want to see like those kind of hauls. So yeah, I probably will try to film tomorrow. We'll see. He looks so cute.
You flipped over so
oh yeah,
I saw him.
You can distract me from that basket of laundry that's over there. What are you doing?
Bless you.
You see Christopher Robin? That's who this is, right? Pretty sure.
Christopher Robin and was it Pooskin?
Pooskin.
Okay, that's
Gosh. So I've had this purse. If you guys saw my last haul, I did feature this Guess purse in it, and it was one of my favorite purses back in the day. Like, it looks all slouchy because there's nothing in it, but it's just one of those little like hand purses. However, guys, if you look closely, it is all torn. I think it's the way I stored it, because this happened to another one of my bags, and it's because of the way I store them inside of like this case thing. I think they just get heated, and I think the heat just affects them. So anyways, I've had this bag for like 17 years. I've had this bag for about 17 years, and it was super cute when I got it. I know it's very old school. It's like very Peggy Bundy, but it's time for it to go. So I'm saying goodbye. I can't believe this happened. But yeah, I didn't wear it for a long time anyways, until I'm finally getting back into, you know, to fashion and stuff like that. Long ways to go, mind you, but I'm finding myself again, because I think it's really important to find ourselves in the midst of being a mom, and it's easy to get lost, but I'm so happy to be finding myself again. And in that process, it's just like getting rid of a lot of weight, dead weight. I'm just getting rid of and checking a ton of like old clothes, or just clothes that I don't wear, or clothes that I just don't fit in, because I was holding on to it. It's just, yeah, I was just holding on to it because I'm like, I want to lose weight again. But you know what, when I lose weight again, I want something fresh and something new to celebrate. I don't want to just keep hanging on to all the old stuff. So I am parting with it, and I'm pretty pumped about that. So I'm putting this into the garbage pile. And just like that, I'm like, it just feels like a weight lifted off. But I'm so close to being done, but I'm probably gonna wrap up this video because I just honestly need to put these two things away, hang up my 2 shirts, and get myself to bed and get my baby, feed my baby, because tomorrow is a long day. I actually have company coming. My mother-in-law is coming to visit, and we're gonna go pick her up, and that's gonna be like a journey. It's gonna be like a little day trip, so that's exciting. But I want to get this done. I kind of was hoping that the whole basket would get done. I'm kind of disappointed that I still have a basket sitting here, but Rome wasn't built in a day, and I have to give myself a lot of credit for getting it done, so I'm very thankful for that. Before I go, I'm also going to do the skincare routine. I just found this I just found these skincare products. This one is called By Nature Vitamin C and Turmeric. I'm gonna try that on my face. And I also bought one that I was looking for a while. It's this one right here. It is rose water and glycerin. So I'm gonna be doing that to my face right now because my skincare routine has been so poor. It's been piss poor basically since I've had like my baby. I've just been doing like the simplest of things, but I want to get back in it, take care of myself and my face and my skin. And yeah, so thank you so much for chiming in, guys. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new, if you want to see more vlogs. Be on the lookout for my hauls that are coming, and until next time, y'all, bye.